Welcome back, folks. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of Christmas decorations with garlands. Christmas is just around the corner, and what better way to get into the festive spirit than by sprucing up your home with beautiful garlands? In this video, we've got you covered with all the advice and information you need to create stunning Christmas decorations using garlands. So, grab your hot cocoa, cozy up by the fire, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what exactly Christmas garlands are. Garlands are long strands of decorative material that are often used to adorn various spaces during the holiday season. They come in a variety of styles, materials, and colors, making them incredibly versatile for any Christmas decorating theme. Now, let's explore some of the most common types of Christmas garlands that you can incorporate into your holiday decor. The evergreen garlands are made from real or artificial evergreen branches, such as pine, fir, or cedar. They bring a traditional and timeless feel to your Christmas decorations. Tinsel garlands are made from shiny, metallic material that adds a touch of sparkle and glam to your holiday decor. They come in various colors to suit your style. These garlands feature strings of beads, often in classic Christmas colors like red, green, and gold. Beaded garlands are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your decor. Berry garlands are adorned with artificial berries, which can be red, white, or even gold. They add a festive pop of color and texture to your space. If you're looking for a rustic, nature-inspired theme, pinecone garlands are a great choice. They feature pine cones interspersed with greenery. These garlands come with built-in lights, which can create a warm and cozy ambience in your home. LED lights are a popular choice for their energy efficiency. For a crafty and handmade look, consider felt or fabric garlands. These can be customized with different shapes, colors, and patterns. Now that you know the different types of Christmas garlands, let's talk about where you can use them to spruce up your space. The most common use for garlands is draping them around your Christmas tree. Whether you have a real or artificial tree, garlands add depth and dimension to your tree's decor. The mantle above your fireplace is a fantastic spot for garlands. You can drape them gracefully along the mantle's edge for a classic, cozy look. If you have a staircase in your home, winding garlands along the banister can create a stunning focal point. Frame your windows and doorways with garlands to create a warm welcome for guests and passers-by. Use shorter garlands as table centerpieces. Lay them down the center of your dining table and add candles or ornaments for a festive dining experience. Don't forget about the exterior of your home. Wrap garlands around porch railings, pillars, or hang them along the eaves to give your home that holiday curb appeal. When selecting the perfect garland for your Christmas decorations, here are a few key considerations. Decide whether you want a real evergreen garland for that classic scent or an artificial one for longevity. Tinsel, bead, and fabric garlands offer different looks, so choose the material that suits your style. Measure the areas where you plan to use garlands to determine how much you'll need. It's better to have a little extra than to run out mid-decoration. Consider your existing color scheme and decor. Choose garlands that complement the colors you already have in your space. Decide if you want a garland with built-in lights. This can save you the hassle of stringing lights separately, but you'll need access to a power source. Invest in good quality garlands that will last for years. Cheap garlands may shed or lose their shape quickly. Now that you've chosen your garlands, let's move on to some creative ways to decorate with them. Mix different types of garlands together to create depth and texture. For example, combine evergreen garlands with bead garlands for a lush and elegant look. Hang Christmas ornaments from your garlands to enhance the festive vibe. This can be done on your tree, mantle, or stair banister. Integrate colorful or patterned ribbons into your garlands. Simply wind them through or tie bows to add a playful touch. For a rustic feel, tuck pine cones, artificial berries, or holly branches into your garlands. When draping garlands, let them hang naturally for an organic look. Avoid pulling them too tight, instead, allow them to drape and curve naturally. Use floral wire or small hooks to secure your garlands in place, especially if you're hanging them outdoors or on a staircase. Once the holiday season is over, it's important to take care of your garlands so they can be used for many more Christmases to come. Store your garlands in a cool, dry place to prevent mold and mildew. Consider using airtight containers or plastic bags to protect them from dust and pests. If you have artificial garlands, fluff them out before each use to regain their fullness and shape. Test the lights on pre-lit garlands before decorating to ensure they're all working. Replace any burnt-out bulbs promptly. If your garlands get damaged, repair them with floral wire or hot glue. This will extend their lifespan. If you're feeling crafty and want to add a personal touch to your holiday decor, consider making your own garlands. DIY garlands are not only fun to create but also allow you to tailor the design to your unique style. Here are a few DIY garland ideas to get you started. Create a winter wonderland by making paper snowflakes in various sizes and stringing them together. Hang this delicate garland near windows to catch the light. For a fragrant and rustic touch, thread cinnamon sticks onto a string or twine. This garland not only looks charming but also fills the room with a cozy aroma. Make colorful pom-poms from yarn and string them together. This garland adds a playful and cheerful vibe to your decor. Purchase or craft felt balls in festive colors and string them into a garland. Felt ball garlands are versatile and can be used year after year. A classic and eco-friendly option, stringing popcorn and cranberries together is a timeless Christmas tradition. It's a fun activity for the whole family. Combine burlap ribbon with pine cones for a rustic and natural garland. Add a touch of greenery or berries for extra flair. If you enjoy baking, use holiday-themed cookie cutters as the base for your garland. Paint or decorate them, then string them together with ribbon. Getting creative with themed garland decorating can take your holiday decor to the next level. Here are some exciting themes to consider. If you live by the coast, embrace a nautical theme. Use rope garlands, seashell accents, and blue and white colors to create a beachy holiday look. Go back in time with a vintage theme. Use retro ornaments, classic glass bead garlands, and antique decorations for a nostalgic atmosphere. Bring the outdoors in with a woodland theme. Combine evergreen garlands with animal ornaments, pine cones, and faux fur accents. Create a luxurious atmosphere with a gold-themed Christmas. Gold garlands, ornaments, and ribbon will add elegance and opulence to your decor. Embrace the sweetness of the season with a candy cane theme. Use red and white garlands, oversized candy cane decorations, and peppermint-scented candles. Inspired by the Disney movie, Frozen, use icy blue and silver garlands, snowflake ornaments, and fairy lights to capture the magic of winter. Achieve a cozy farmhouse look with burlap garlands, plaid ribbon, and vintage wooden decorations. Don't forget a wreath made of twigs and berries. Go all out with bright and whimsical colors. Mix and match garlands, ornaments, and decorations in vibrant hues for a playful holiday feel. As our awareness of environmental issues grows, many of us are looking for eco-friendly ways to celebrate the holidays. Here are some sustainable garland options. Instead of artificial garlands, use real evergreen branches, holly, and mistletoe. These can be composted after the holidays. Get creative by upcycling materials from around your home. Old fabric scraps, worn-out clothing, or even newspapers can be transformed into unique garlands. Use old newspapers, magazines, or junk mail to create paper garlands. Cut them into various shapes, paint or decorate, and string them together. If you want illuminated garlands, opt for energy-efficient LED lights. They use less electricity and last longer than traditional incandescent bulbs. Choose ornaments made from sustainable materials like wood, recycled glass, or fabric. These can be reused or repurposed after the holiday season. Invest in high-quality garlands that can be used year after year, reducing waste and saving you money in the long run. While decorating with garlands is fun, it's essential to keep safety in mind to prevent accidents and fires. Inspect lighted garlands for damaged wires or bulbs before use. Replace any faulty components. Ensure that garlands are placed away from open flames, heaters, and other heat sources to avoid fire hazards. Use hooks, adhesive clips, or floral wire to secure garlands in place. Avoid using nails or staples that can damage surfaces. If you're using real evergreen garlands indoors, mist them with water occasionally to keep them fresh and reduce fire risk. To save energy and reduce fire risk, turn off lighted garlands when you go to bed or leave the house. Here you have everything you need to know about decorating with garlands for Christmas. Whether you prefer the classic evergreen garlands, sparkly tinsel, or charming bead garlands, there's a style to suit every taste and decor theme. Remember to have fun with your decorations, get creative with how you use your garlands, and make your space feel warm and inviting for the holiday season. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more festive decorating tips and inspiration. Have a holly, jolly Christmas, and happy decorating!